I'm going to tell you exactly how I built a weekly sales rhythm starting from zero. No big audience, no confidence, no proven system, just a simple structure I repeated every week until it became automatic. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build the same rhythm, even if week one feels very awkward. Here's where I started. I had an offer. I was clear on who it was for, and I was avoiding selling consistently because it felt uncomfortable. Sound familiar? Well, here's what changed. I stopped waiting to feel ready. I started following a structure every single week, and the plan was very simple. Pick 5 to 10 people to invite on Monday. Tuesday through Thursday, make clean invitations to these people. Friday, follow up. Weekend, reflect and refine one thing. That's it. No big launch, no complicated funnel, just repetition. Week one felt forced. I made a list of 10 people, I sent invitations, I followed up on Friday. And here's the obstacle I hit immediately. Only one person responded, and I wanted to quit. I wanted to change the offer. I wanted to rebuild absolutely everything, but I didn't. I just refined one thing, my invitation language. Week two felt slightly easier. I made a new list. I used the refined language and I followed up. 3 people responded this time. Still not a flood, but some progress. Now here's the second obstacle. I wanted to speed up. I wanted to invite 50 people instead of 10, but I didn't. I stayed with the structure. Week 3 started to feel normal. I made my list. I sent invitations. I followed up. 5 people responded. 2 became sales. And here's what shifted. It stopped feeling like an event. It started to feel like a rhythm. Week 4 started to feel automatic. I didn't have to psych myself up. I didn't have to fight resistance as much. I just followed the structure. 7 responses, 3 sales. And that's when I realized confidence didn't create this. Repetition did. Now here's the turning point. Most artists abandon the structure after week 1 because it didn't feel good. But skill doesn't build in week 1. It builds across several weeks. So the decisive shift is this. Stop judging week 1 as proof of anything. It's just data. Week 1 tells you what to refine. Week 4 shows you that the rhythm works. If you quit after week 1, you never get to week 4. So here's your payoff. If you commit to the weekly cash loop for 4 weeks at least, not 1, you'll build a rhythm that starts to feel automatic, not because you got more confident, but because you practiced the structure until it became normalized. If you want the exact structure I just walked through, plus weekly prompts and reflection questions, I made a companion guide, the AIB Practice Guide number 4, the weekly cash loop. It's linked below. Rebuild your skill set through repetition. Skill sets create stability. I'd love to know what the biggest obstacle internally comes up for you around reaching out around the topic of selling your art. Please post in the comments below and let's keep this conversation going. If this way of thinking about building an art business resonates with you, you're welcome to subscribe here. I share new conversations and practices regularly, and I can't wait to share the next ones with you.